So I'm a little upset because I looked everywhere on the internet to how to install a brake controller, because I bought a 2,200 pound camper and I'm going to pull it with my Ridgeline here. Nothing online. I actually work for Honda and there's nothing online on how to install the brake controller, and I got it from eTrailer, and eTrailer didn't even give me any instructions. So I hope this video helps you guys figure out how to put in your brake controller.
Kids news, no good. Yeah.
One thing I did forget to mention, this is an install for the factory 7-pin that comes from Honda. So I searched YouTube to try to find the installation for an e-brake controller for my Ridgeline. I have a 2011. Found it on eTrailer, got this brake controller and cord for the price you see here, and it comes with the 3070P adapter, and it plugs right into the Ridgeline, but it's a real pain to get to. So look at your manual. I found stuff on page 299 to 300, and then your fuse placement for the e-brake, because after I plugged it in, didn't know that you needed a fuse. And of course, Honda's awesome and they give you some spares. So check out page 383 so that you can go in there and see where to put the fuse. Follow up your parking brake and you'll notice a yellow cord wrapped. Follow that up and you will see a plug wrapped with blue tape. Peel the tape back and that is your plug. Have fun doing it because it is a pain in the butt. Once that's plugged in, plug it into your brake controller. This is your first under the hood panel box, which is over by the passenger side. 20 amp spare fuse in the lower left hand corner. Then go over to the fuse box over by your air filter, pop that off, look for location 6, put the 20 amp fuse in that, plug the adapter plug in, it lights up, you're good to go. It does not strobe like that. That is the frame rate on my phone. Alright, that's the install. Hope you guys like it. Make sure to like and subscribe underneath, hit notifications. I'll let you know when I get some new how-to videos. Have a great day.